So, let's start. So, our lesson for today is all about quadratic equation, and we're also going to tackle about its function. So, first we have to know the definition of quadratic equation. Di ba wala pa maani? Kaya pa mong sugod. So, quadratic equation is an equation that can be written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Dapat hinumduman mo ni siya nga formula, where the variable a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So, kaning a, di na siya equal to 0. Kaya equal to 0 man siya, ma-0 man yung x squared. So, di na siya equal to 0. So, this is known as the standard form of the quadratic equation. This is standard form. So, a quadratic equation in one variable, say x, is also known as a second degree polynomial equation in x. So, para mas masabta natin mga examples. So, first, we have to determine whether each of the following is in a quadratic equation or not. If it is a quadratic equation, identify the values of a, b, and c. So, dapat ato siyang una, stop. I-identify nato ni kaning ax squared plus 6x is equal to 5, 4x squared minus 7x squared is equal to 0. Kani nga, mga equation ato identify if quadratic ba sila o dili. If quadratic sila, ato distinguish kung sa ang value sa a, b, o c. Gets? So, first natay katang sila ni si a. Basta ha, kabalo ka ni a, 2x squared. 2x squared plus 6x equals 5. Ano siya? Solution. So, first we have to simplify each equation. So, a, transpose 5 to the left side of the equation. So, awang 5. Gitranspose sa left. So, para mahimog 0. That's gitranspose. Diba, dito siya gikan? Ipasulod siya, then mahimo na siya equal to 0. So, positive man siya. So, nahimo na siya sunod. Negative. Kay nilabang man siya sa equal sign. Kay gitranspose man siya. So, pasabot, this is a quadratic equation in standard form where a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 kani, b is equal to 6, and negative 5 is equal to c. Kaya itong formula kay ax squared plus b plus c is equal to 0. So, may mo siya og standard equation. Kasabot o sa value sa a, 2. Sa b,
6.
sa c,
Negative 5.
o sunod na pod. So, this is a quadratic equation. Kani. Check. Sunod, kani. Sige, basa. For B.
2x squared.
B. Dili. 4.
4x squared.
Dili, 4 ni. 4 ni, dili squared. 4x
4x
raised to the power
Power
of
of
4
4 minus 7x squared
is
equals 0.
So, no, it test. So, diba, 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 7x squared is equal to 0. So, the degree of the given equation is 4. Kani. 4 ni, degree. Si A, 4. Thus, it is not a quadratic equation. So, dili siya quadratic equation. Kani kamantay ka, 4. Ang formula kay ax squared naman, so raised to the power of 4 man siya. So, dili siya quadratic equation. Sabot ka? Sure ba? Anong galing dili siya quadratic equation? Kay
Basta itong ganyan.
kay dili siya squared. Kay raised to the power of 4 man siya. Ang formula kay ax squared man, na 4 man so di siya quadratic equation. Sabot? So now, let's move forward. So, kani si letter B, dili siya quadratic equation. Standard quadratic equation. So, si A sa ta. Mana to si A, then si C na pod. Basta ha, C. Si C. Muna siya solution. Okay, sa.
Simplify the left side of the equation, then write the resulting equation in the form where one side is 0.
Oh. Batay ka ni absolute value. So, dapat ato siyang i-multiply. Kani si x, ato i-multiply sa sulod. So, 4x squared times x, mahimo siya og 4x cubed. Then, copy ni siya. is equal to negative 12x squared plus 4x minus 52. Sunod, ato siyang i-transpose nato si 52 pasulod, then para ma-equal to 0. So, mahimo na siya 4x cubed plus 12x squared minus 4x plus 52 is equal to 4. So, basa ha.
The degree of the given equation is 3. Thus, the given equation is not a quadratic equation.
So, kani 3 man mo ni pasabot, ang formula ganay ax squared. So, 3 man exponent ane. So, dili siya quadratic equation. Kay 3 mas dapat squared ra. Kasabot? So, 4 na ta. Ato ang answer si 4.